Hey academic besties, welcome back to All Things Academia. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lerato Kanamsa of All Things Academia, where we explore and explain all things in the academic world. So, I've been away for some time because life has been happening and has been happening very fast. But today I had to come back and make this video because this is a special video because SciSpace has launched something massive. And I don't use that word lightly. You guys already know about SciSpace Agent and that it has been my #1 productive tool for this year, touchdown. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about and you'd like to know more about this tool, then click the video that I have linked somewhere up here and have linked in the description down below to access that. Now, SciSpace has added something new. This is something specific to biomedical science. So if you are in medicine, pharmacy, biology, public health, and genetics, or honestly any field touching biomedical research, then this one is for you. SciSpace has launched a biomedical agent. This is an AI core scientist designed to run biomedical workflows from one prompt. Think about this: single-cell RNA-seq analysis, genetic variant interpretation, drug discovery, even designing CRISPR workflows. And we're also getting biomedical illustration. Yes, actual figures for your papers, proposals, and presentations. We are going to test both today. Let's dive in. And I know all my humanities besties freaking out right now, but SciSpace Biomedical Agent is not a replacement of SciSpace AI Agent. It is just an add-on. So you'll still get access to the SciSpace AI Agent. But Biomedical Agent is specifically trained on biomedical data, workflows, lab protocols, omic pathways, genetics, drug mechanisms, and all of that. Biomedical science is fragmented. Realistically, you're jumping between tools, databases, and file formats, sequencing output, PDFs, and PubMed, clinical notes, analysis platforms, and half your time is spent trying to bring everything together. BioMed Agent solves that problem by understanding biology in a deeper level and running end-to-end workflow with just one prompt. Let me show you how. I am going to type this prompt: analyze single-cell RNA-seq from human lungs, cluster cells, and label cell types, identify marker genes. Before I run it, BioMed Agent asks clarifying questions because single-cell can mean a lot of things. So do you want dimensionality reduction, UMAP, marker detection, integrated database? I answer the follow-up questions and the agent begins processing. Now look at this. On the right hand panel, you see the live workflow log. It's pulling relevant papers, ingesting unknown markers, comparing clusters, and actual reasoning step by step. When it's done, I get a list of clusters, predicted cell types, marker gene tables, explanation of how these labels were assigned, variable summaries, and follow-up questions I can ask. This is the exact kind of task that drains biomedical researchers because it requires tools, coding knowledge, and switching up environments or platforms. But here, one prompt. Now let's test the biomedical illustration generator. I am going to prompt the agent: create a visual illustration of SARS-CoV-2 entry into host cells via ACE2 reporters. And in just seconds, I get a clean publication style diagram, accurate labeling, mechanistic errors, editable components, and I can revise it to make the spike protein larger. I can change the cell membrane color, add and insert zoom panels. If you are writing a dissertation, a research paper, proposal, or an ethical clearance submission, whether you are a master's or an honors, you know how painful it is to create figures and diagrams. This feature is going to save researchers days. What a time to be a researcher. These updates, the BioMed Agent and the illustration generator, are both about one thing: reducing the friction of research. You are not spending hours switching tools. You are not manually filtering papers. You are not spending hours formatting illustrations from scratch. SciSpace is moving towards a world where researchers are spending more time thinking and less time wrestling the logistics. And honestly, we deserve that. So academic besties, if you are in biomedical research and you want to try out the SciSpace BioMed Agent, and the illustration feature, click the link in the description down below and use my coupon code for a discount. Thank you, SciSpace, for sponsoring this video today and building tools that actually make sense in the academic world. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to test next. Method tools, writing assistance, or literature review features. I've got you. Be a smart scholar and go to the description and click that link and use that coupon code as I project to you love and grace in a way of 2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.